So the other way that you can turn something is by using a faceplate. So when you're using a faceplate, make sure that there is no live center. If you see the live center that's in there, what you can do is you can take a pokey stick, jam that through, and put that aside. As you're putting this on, you may want to lock the machine out. So there's the lockout switch. And this is just a matter of just screwing it onto the threads. So again, it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And you know it's secure when it spins, and it's not cross-threaded. We'll take our tool rest, and our tool rest just goes in. We'll kind of lock that in place first, and so that's spinning this. Now, same concept, we want to bring this forward so that we minimize that gap. And we're going to lock it. Now we're ready to kind of turn it. Put your face shield on. When your piece is big and square, you want to start off at a slower speed. Flip the lockout switch, turn it on. And again, keep your hand over here, right hand over there, and we'll start to cut. So when you've got your desired outside shape, and we want to start to work on the inside of the faceplate, we'll need to readjust our tool rest. So again, lock it out, make sure it doesn't turn on, loosen this, and it's just as simple as rotating it 90 degrees. One of the things you want to make sure is that you're kind of right in the middle. It's looking pretty good. Lock this up. And now it's a matter of minimizing that gap. So now that gap is pretty minimal. Lock it in place. And that concept still remains the same. You're going to start with your left hand, or in this case your right hand. You're going to go this way. If your left hand is like this. And you can start to cut. So, walk. When you are done turning your project and you've got the shape that you want, or it's cleanup time, we're going to get this off. So start by flipping the lockout switch down, make sure it doesn't turn off, and we're going to pop the tool rest out. So we're going to loosen this. I'm pulling it towards the camera. So now, to get this tool rest out of the way, loosen it, and all you need to do is just slide it away. What you don't want to do, please don't do this, is to rip the whole thing off the bed. Slide it. And now you will need two wrenches. You will need an adjustable wrench, and you will need your lathe specific wrench. If you notice over here, there is a little flat spot there. There's a flat spot. Take the flat lathe specific wrench, and that just goes there for now. And what this will do is as you are loosening it, this will just keep this arbor from spinning. Next, take your adjustable wrench. That goes up against the flat spot of the lathe. And all you're doing is you're going counterclockwise, in this case pulling towards the camera. Then all you do is just spin it. Don't forget, that's super important, please remove your lathe-specific wrench. When you're done, you should have 2 wrenches. Those go back to where you found them. And then grab a broom and dustpan and sweep this up.